Hello and welcome to Waltz seminar named Basic and Beyond. Idea is to show how we can build free figures which we can dance in open class from basic figures which are described in technique books. And today we will look at running weave after overturn, spin turn ending. So, and let's welcome now our demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. And we start with basic running weave. Man starts with right foot, goes forward, then to side around lady's heel turn, diagonally back and back in CBMP. Lady's steps, of course, involve heel turn, back, closing heel turn, diagonally forward, forward in CBMP. Let's look how Andrejs and Kornelija dance basic running weave. 1 and 2, 3. But when we dance in free class, we can avoid lady's heel turn because heel turn restricts our progressive dynamics. So we dance instead of heel turn, pivot with brush and then forward step. So we go with left foot back, pivot on left toe, brush with right foot, inside edge of toe, and then forward step from heel. I remind that this figure is allowed only in free groups. Now let's look at Andrejs and Kornelija. They will dance advanced version and 1 and 2, 3. Very good. And now from opposite angle. And 1 and 2, 3. And now let's look how we can bind these figures together in group. We will start with open natural turn from promenade position, then we dance natural fall away to counter promenade position. From here we dance overturn, spin turn ending, and now a running weave advanced version. This small routine takes 4 bars. And now let's look at Andrejs and Kornelija. They will dance this routine. They open promenade position and start with open natural turn, then natural fall away to counter promenade position. From here spin ending, overturned, and running weave. Okay, let's do it again from same angle. Open promenade position and dance open natural turn from promenade position, then natural fall away to counter promenade position, from counter promenade position overturn spin ending and a running weave. Very good. And from opposite angle. Open promenade position, then dance open natural turn from promenade position, then natural fall away to counter promenade position. From here overturn spin turn ending and a running weave. Very good. Now let's once again show how we changed running weave from basic version to advanced version, and main change was ladies second step. It's not heel turn, but it's pivot with brush and forward step from heel. Let's look again. And of course, this gives man more freedom to forward swing. And now let's look at routine to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Andrejs and Kornelija. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal experience with me with Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.